Hi, hopefuls. Thanks so much for coming back to the channel today. I hope you guys are doing great. I am doing wonderful. So today I'm going to share with you what I picked up from Walmart. No big hoopla, but I know some of you all have asked in the past, Hope, can you share what you pick up? I don't share everything, but just some things. So I had a doctor's appointment today. So I really planned on, today's Thursday, going to Hobby Lobby, but I didn't have a intentional, well, I was looking for the Valentine's items are finally 40% off. They weren't 40% off last week. So there wasn't something that I absolutely had to have, and I'd rather wait because if Mama wanted to go to Hobby Lobby. So that's what I just wanted to do, just wait and see if she wanted to go as well. So I ended up going to a different Walmart. This is the Walmart I used to work at for years ago, for several years, and it's totally changed. But they always seem to have the item that you're looking for in stock. So I thought I would stop by and look for that Valentine's sign that I mentioned in my other hauls. If you have seen the last Walmart haul I was talking about, I found that, and a purse that I was looking for. So they had one in stock, but I didn't plan on going to this one. But okay, y'all, so I didn't even pull everything out. I'm kind of hot. I don't know why I'm so hot. So for your preps, guys, if you, and excuse my nails because I have these gel nails and it takes a little bit longer to take the polish off, and I've been busy. So I'm getting ready to do some meal prep, and I have our containers over here, and I'm glad they came. So I don't know if I'm gonna share that with you guys. Maybe next time I'll cook and share with it, but I need to go ahead and cook because the meat's been sitting in the fridge at least a day. So anyway, y'all, I got the seeds from the Dollar Tree. I did get some, if you've seen that heart-to-heart video, and I was talking about some things that I want to learn in prepping or whatever, but I do know the cycle of Dollar Tree because I've been shopping there for a long time, about since my whole channel. So I know that you have to get these seeds early. So it's still winter, but you have to get the seeds early. So this is the first time that I paid attention to the herb rocket, the sweet basil. I picked up the parsley, the thyme, and the tomato. Mama said, I think my grandfather too, because they used to garden and stuff and had a big garden. And I think tomatoes is one of the easiest things. So y'all let me know. I know they do have like that hanging tomato plant. So when that comes around, I'll pick up some. I got this pot, seed starter pots. And I thought this would be neat, too, to do this with Josiah. Yeah, I got my sweet potatoes here because I was supposed to took them back to Aldi because they didn't look right in my Instacart haul. Okay, so they got plenty of seeds out right now. So if you plan on gardening or starting to garden in the spring or summer, y'all, I'm not, it's a lot of things I can do, but I'm not the best at gardening. I have tried, but I haven't. I don't know, y'all. Y'all just pray that I have some patience and just pray. So these are for $1. I did, in a heart-to-heart video, I did share some seeds that I did have, and you guys told me to put them in the freezer to prolong the life if like the expiration date expired or something. So most of these expire December 2021. Okay, so I got some corn. They're for $4. Some onion, some green beans. I think I got 2 of those. Some sweet peppers, some tomatoes. And they're so cheap that you can buy extra to back up, I guess, if you messed up your seeds. Some peas, some cabbage, some basil, broccoli. You guys let me know if you use the Dollar Tree seeds and how it turned out. Squash, summer, parsley, thyme, and sage, and some peppers. I did see where For Patriots does have some seeds that you can purchase, but I haven't gotten around to purchasing them. I think they're like $30, 29 something. I got some chives, some basil, some spinach, some more spinach, some garden green beans. Did I mean to get 2 spinach? I don't think I did. Cucumber, dill, some lettuce, and another lettuce. So I would love to have an indoor garden. I would love to have something like that, but I don't have the space, y'all. I don't have the space. So then I also got this fake security camera, y'all. I saw this last time I was in there, and I grabbed that. Also this seed starting greenhouse. I just picked up one of these. So they were buying these. So I'm hoping that's a good indication that they're good. I didn't get any terracotta pots today, but I'll probably pick up a few next time. So I think that was like $5.50 or 75 cents worth of seeds, which isn't bad. Okay, y'all. And that also give us a summer project for deciding us, or not summer, spring project to do. I got some of these twist treat bags, and I'm going to do this DIY. I put the video down below where they made the box candies, you know, you can get at Dollar Tree or 98 cents at Walmart, and they glue them out. Oh, I forgot. That's the reason why I went in there to get the foam block, floral foam block, when you're making flowers and you cut it like in a triangle. And I put the video down below, and you add treats to it, so it's like a candy bouquet, y'all. So I thought it would be cute to make for the fam. I got this ribbon today. This ribbon, it says, I picked you. And this ribbon here. Okay, I got some bamboo skewers. And I think I do have some styrofoam, but I done cut and sliced that styrofoam so many times, I don't know if I have enough. I got some of these roses, and I like these particular ones from Dollar Tree because they look more expensive. And these are for my tablescape. So they look so nice in my little mason jars. I probably will do, I don't know if I'm going to do a video, but I know I'm going to do a blog post on decorating for Valentine's Day. So I got 6 of these, I think, guys. 2 for 6. Yep. I wish they just sell just a little bit more in those bunches, so you don't have to get so much. But I got this seed starting potting mix, and they also had potting mix as well. I did watch a couple of videos a while ago, though. And I put some things in my shopping cart that they recommended. I think it was the, Provident Preppers. I think that's the name of their channel that they recommended. And I have it in my shopping cart on Amazon. So I have to get it. But they recommend it. Okay, I got 2 of these little mini notebooks. And they remind you of the Happy Planner Minis. And I just got one for my mom and one for myself. And I'll probably make up her a little Valentine's basket. And then this is what I was looking for in the last haul, y'all. When I mentioned this pink sugar lip scrub. And I wonder how good it is, because I probably should have got 2. But I got one for mom and one for myself. And then, sorry I got this stuff all out of order, y'all. I'm just trying to get it done. Some plant labels. We really needed this last year because Josiah and I planted some stuff and we didn't even know something was growing successfully, and we didn't even know what it was. But it didn't last, y'all, because we forgot to take care of it and water it. Okay, so then, and you get 10 in here, so I thought that was neat. Then I got the LED lights. This was the last one. So I like these little fairy lights. I guess these are in red. Well, it looks like it's pink. So whenever Dollar Tree has those, I still was looking for the heart grapevine wreaths. And I was also looking for the little berries that like you use and string them in wreaths and stuff. But I didn't see those. I got the men's care. I got one for Jason, one for Catrell, to put like in a little basket. And then I got these 2 to make the little bouquets. So I did watch 2 different videos. Let's see. This one says Happy Valentine's Day. He took them off the stitch, y'all. And Be Mine. And y'all know who that is. Who that belongs to. And then I got this lastly. Oh, y'all see my candlestick? Somebody playing. So they broke it. I was looking for it because I had this one and the tall one. And it was broke, y'all. So I'm going to use the E6000 glue and fix it. Okay, so then I got the eyeglass pouch. I got one for Mama. I think this one is cute. Really, all of them. And I got one of those. And yeah, I just saw, and these have like a, I think a little magnetic, because it pops right back. I'm not sure what it is. And then this no touch key. So if you don't want to touch the door or dirty surfaces, that's what this is for. It looks like it's a hard acrylic and not metal. They did have one that was thicker, and I got one from Mama, but I probably still need to invest in one that's metal. Like, I seen them at Bed Bath & Beyond. They're probably at other stores too. But that's it from the Dollar Tree, y'all. So over here, I got them some pizzas. So, because I knew I was meal prepping today. Oh, I should have looked for a battery for this. I need one of those circle batteries. They got a mess over here. Those circle batteries to go in there. A pepperoni and a cheese. Josiah likes cheese, so I said I was gonna start picking it up and never did. I got a Red Baron for them. So this is my second day, y'all, doing low carb or hardly no carbs, y'all. And I was so ill and irritated today because I didn't have any caffeine yesterday. I know them kids was like, what in the world is wrong with her? But hold on, y'all. So the pieces are gonna be for them. I don't know if Jason's gonna eat pizza or not, but he burns his calories really quickly. So I know yesterday we had tacos, and I had my taco on a lettuce wrap, and actually that might have been the first or the second time. It might have been the first time, y'all. You know how many times I done said I'm going to eat with that lettuce wrap and never do and still eat with a tortilla? And it was so light. And I was like, oh my God. Because you used to that full feeling. But I was like, oh my God, I don't know, y'all. I don't know. But I did it. I did really well. But Jason got him a bowl of cereal. Okay, y'all. So I got this little doggy. He was $2.98. And it's going to be part of, hopefully he'll fit on the DIY that I want to do with the little bouquet. And then this is what I was looking for. I know, y'all, I know it's silly. But I thought it was super cute. So that's what I was looking for. I got some kitchen towels. This one that said, hello, beautiful. This one was $5.98. And I believe this one was $3.98. I don't remember. But I noticed this store was really stocked. It was really stocked. And that's how it used to be when I was like, we would have different things in our store. It's the same store. It just looks so different. I don't know anybody anymore when I go in there. I used to know everybody. Okay, y'all. So this is the purse that I was looking for. Mama actually got this purse too. And when I saw hers, I saw it before. But when I saw hers, I was like, oh, I like that because it has a flap. And I have a bad habit of not zipping my purse up. So I like this. I like that I can put my phone down in the bottom. It's Time and True, and it's $22.96. Now, I am embarrassed. I don't know what this is. I am embarrassed. Well, not really embarrassed, but y'all don't judge me. So, I knew this store had the black, but I didn't plan on really going over there. And I was like, wait a minute, I go to the Dollar's right across the street. So I got the brown the other day in one store and the gold or like a yellow mustard color in the same store. So I was like, that's not bad. $22.96. Y'all know, or I mentioned before, I have a bad habit of getting multiples of the same thing if I like it. So I was getting ready to order a Coach purse, and I was like, you know what? I changed my mind because I just feel like you're not going anywhere, but really you get the purse for yourself. But I don't know, y'all. So I just figured buying 2 of the same purse, now 3 of the same purse isn't bad if I, and it's pretty good quality. If, I wasn't going to get the Coach purse. Okay, lastly, y'all, and I'm done. I'm getting ready to make some salmon. So, and I can also use this for lemon water. So I like lemon water. So I got that, and I got some of this Marzetti Classic Ranch. I probably should have got the one that had yogurt, but I was like, come on, Hope, you're doing good. So treat yourself to some real full-fat ranch now. Okay, so then I also got some green apple slices, too. I like these. That's it that I picked up today, y'all. I did get some stuff from Amazon, so if I start I think I said this in another video, but I don't know if it's going to go up or not. If you guys want to see what I get from Amazon, sometimes let me know, and I'll try to remember to make clips of it as it comes in or something. But guys, I hope you guys are doing great, staying safe, stress-free, and have a great and wonderful day, y'all. Bye.